Hello, this is Dr. Craig Markson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the formatting on page 2 of your research paper, which includes the abstract as well as a different header from page 1. If you notice the title page, it says running head here and then an abbreviated version of the title at the top. Page 2 is going to be a little bit different. So let's go ahead and get to page 2. So we're going to left click we're going to left click to the right of the last text on the title page. I left click to the right of where it says Stony Brook University, and I'm going to hit enter until I get to the second page, and I can tell I'm on the second page by the page break over here. So on the top we're going to type abstract because this is the section we're working on, and it's going to be in all caps. Okay. Then, in order to get that header dialog box in the upper left of page 2, we're going to double left click. You're going to double left click, and then you'll see the header dialog box appear. And because we click different first page over here, it's going to allow us to create a different header on the second page. Okay, when we were creating the title page, page 1. Alright, so one thing we're going to want to do is on the top of Microsoft Word where it says insert over here, we're going to click insert. And we're going to insert a page number. And initially, we're going to do it on the top left over here, initially. And then we're going to tab it over. I'll show you that in a second. First, highlight the page number. Make sure we're doing the Times New Roman font. And if you notice it defaults to Calibri, we're going to want to make this Times New Roman and make it a 12-point font for the page number. Then we're going to type, if you notice the cursor's to the left of the page number, we're going to type in all caps, working title. And then I'm going to hit the tab key on my keyboard, tab, to tab the page number to the right. So on the left it should say working title, an abbreviated version of your title over here, and then on the right over here it should have the page number. And then double left click in the document to get out of that. And there you go. So see, on page 1 it says running head, working title. There's no page number. This is the title page. And then on page 2 you'll have page number 2 over here in the upper right, on the far right, and on the left it'll say working title in all caps. And then abstract, the heading on page 2, abstract, is in all caps. Now what do we do in the abstract? Well, first, let me bring up the course PowerPoint. And if you go to page 6 on the course PowerPoint, it tells you how to do the abstract. And basically the abstract, all you're going to do is write the purpose of this study was, write in the past tense, okay, because you're finished with the paper at this point. And then you're going to take your large research questions and state them as statements. So you're going to write the purpose of the study was, take the research questions you came up with, state them as statements, and then you're going to restate the key findings to your major research questions and list your major conclusions / findings from your research. The abstract's about 150 to 500 words, depending on the amount of research questions and the size of your paper. I'd say on average it's going to be about a half a page to a page long. If you're still unsure how to do the abstract, well, first obviously refer to page 6 of the course PowerPoint. But also what you can do is there's a sample paper from Zeidman, which I included as one of the course files, and just look at her page 2 and see what she did. Okay, and that's pretty much it.